In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on Etsy. Whether you're a frequent Etsy shopper or visiting for the first time, understanding how to navigate your orders is essential for tracking and managing your purchases. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Etsy website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Etsy.com. The homepage is welcoming and a vibrant marketplace for handmade, vintage, and unique items. This place is a treasure trove of creativity and craftsmanship, perfect for finding that special something. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll find a profile icon, which looks like a silhouette of a person. Clicking here will be your gateway into managing your Etsy account. Think of this section as your personal command center on Etsy. It's where all your account-related information is neatly gathered, making everything easy to access. After clicking on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Purchases and Reviews. This option will take you to a dedicated page that lists all your past purchases. It's like having your very own shopping history right at your fingertips, helping you keep track of every delightful product you've ordered. Now that you're on the Purchases and Reviews page, take your time to explore all the listed items. Here, you'll see details about your orders, including the purchase date, price, and the shop you bought from. It's all laid out in an organized manner for easy reference. This section is incredibly useful if you're looking to repurchase or review products or just want to reminisce about your past purchases. If you're keeping an eye on a specific order, this is where you can find all the tracking details and order status updates. You'll be pleased to know that Etsy makes it simple to follow through on your orders, right up until they arrive at your doorstep. It's part of what makes shopping on Etsy such a seamless experience. And that's it. You've successfully navigated how to check your orders on Etsy. Remember, making sure you know the whereabouts of your purchases not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances your overall shopping experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please consider sharing it with family and friends who might also benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy guides and tips to make your digital shopping life a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Etsy.